morning, my name's Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at SMTConnect talking to Detlef and Florian from Viscom. Guys, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Please
meet you.
tell me more about your new vConnect.
Good morning, and here we present our new release of vConnect Customer Control Center. That's the initial dashboard of the control center and digital platform. Here we integrate and implement different machine services and different digital services. On the left side you can see the machine services, the customer services like Viscom Academy and service cloud services and VAI.
Very important is for us that next to the connectivity services that we additional are looking about the integrations, so to have the connections to Hermes, to CFX, so that you have the complete introduction in the environment of the electronic parts. And we see in additional is that more and more important is to keep care about your energy consumption. And also is now available that we have here energy measurements included, which directly gives you feedback what is your power consumption and how smooth and green is running your system. Another thing is really that we have then the integration of our VAI services. So the AI solutions are more and more important in the integrations in our systems. You can see it live on our integrations here on the show. But the customer needs an interface where he can then getting the updates of the models for his new AI solutions, where he can share the new data, and this is also integrated into the vConnect. So we're also very proud to present here our new high-end AOI, the IS6059, and this machine included high-speed and new 3D sequences, and which offers you more quality or more speed. One very important feature is what you see here for the 3D capturing, where we have here 2D images of a coil. So standard coil, you see it here, and then we can switch to the 3D images so that we're getting also then the height information included. And you see that here everything is available. You have the height included, standard informations, but also is it here that everything is in the surrounding gray, because you just have the height information, you don't have the information of the surrounding. And with our 360 view, now we have the possibility now to include our side cameras and generating here the complete surround view of the component. And in this case, big surprise, you're really seeing that here are the wiring around the component, and you can see it, the complete component in the realistic way, like you can see it with your human eye. And that is the best benefit for the real classification.